Now we're going to start with the yeast. We're going to take from our sugar, from our half a cup of sugar, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of yeast and pour the warm water on top. We're going to mix it up a little bit and we're going to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to rise. We're just going to leave it and let it rise. It doesn't have to mix too well, as long as the sugar on the bottom mixes good. Now on the big bowl, we're going to take the rest of the sugar and we're going to pour the boiling apple juice on top. We're going to mix it. I'll mix it with the fork. And to that we're going to add the oil, or if you want the margarine, you can add that instead. The vanilla and the salt. And we're going to wait a little bit for it to cool before we add the egg. Shouldn't be boiling, because then the egg is going to be cooked and we don't want that.